What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Subaru WRX remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Subaru WRXs that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this silver button on the back of the key fob, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where that emergency key slid out of, and then just below that there's another little slot right here that I'm going to push my screwdriver in like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm just going to kind of angle up and pry up on this back cover. So angle up and push up like that. And we can pull the back cover off. Now what I'm going to do is just kind of dump this out, and the circuit board will come out. And on the back of that circuit board, we see our battery right here. Now I'm going to get my screwdriver and just get under the edge of the battery and just carefully get it out of this little holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we'll grab our front of our key fob and put our circuit board back in it. Make sure it's sitting down in that little rubber piece properly. Then we'll snap this back cover on. I usually just line up that little silver button right there in that notch. Snap that down. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.